Be blessed by the divine. Why does Kundalini Shakti makes everything so intense? Look, my friend, Kundalini Shakti is your life force. It is this life force that produces the biomagnetic energy that powers your mind, powers your body. 25% of your biomagnetic energy goes for brain functions, which directly affects your mind functions. Remember that you have inherited karmic imprints from your father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, all the way to the first human being, to the animals, and so on and so forth. So you have the imprints of animalistic characters in you. I do have. Every human being has an element of animal characters. How do I know? What about anger? We don't require anger 99.99% of our life, but we do get angry unnecessarily. This, is it not the animal character? Animals require anger to protect, to preserve, to survive. We do not require it, but we do get angry. Worry, another characteristic which was totally unnecessary for us. Problems perhaps are real, but worries are purely imaginary, isn't it, my friend? We need to get rid of unwanted, unnecessary expectations and desires. These can be thwarted, and when they get thwarted, it then develops into anger or worries. We may have negative thinking in us. These negative thinking can lead to pain for us or others now or in the future, physically or mentally. These also need to be sublimated and eradicated from our genetic center. The genetic center is a treasure trove that exists within you, but it contains contaminations. Ego, illusion, sin imprints are the three major dimensions of contaminations that exist in your genetic center. It is your duty, therefore, to get rid of ego, illusion, and sin imprints. But if you do not do that, any practice, whether it is Kundalini Yoga or religious practice or spiritual practice, could potentially intensify the biomagnetic energy and intensify your karmic imprints, ego, illusion, sin imprints that can manifest in negative thinking, negative words, negative deeds, anger, worries, unwanted, unfulfilled, unfulfillable desires, so-called greed, which can then manifest into greed, anger, miserliness, immoral sexual passion, vengeance and vanity, kama, krodha, yoga, moga, mada, machirya. So these 6 characteristics can develop in people in a much more intensified manner. Therefore, if you are a Kundalini Yoga aspirant or a Kundalini Yogi practicing Kundalini Yoga, remember to practice introspection exercises. Go to your subtle frequencies, remain in silence, identify these negative imprints, superimpose them with positive imprints through the power of superimposition, sublimation, and neutralization through Agna, Sahasrara, Duryatita meditation. You can then get rid of ego, illusion, and Sanchita karma, Prarabdha karma, and Akamiya karma. You can achieve salvation, deliverance from sin. At that state, with that as the precondition, you can attain self-realization or moksha. Be blessed by the divine.